Hello welders! Welcome to a new video. In this video I present to you the ARC200 welding machine from Bestarc. This is Bestarc ARC200 9 Gen 2-in-1 ARC or Lift TIG. Let's take a look. 2-in-1 welding machine. ARC200 arc welding machine supports MMA, ARC arc welding and TIG welding. At 200A at 220V, it can use 4.0mm rods for 6.0 to 8.0mm steel plates. At 140A at 110V, it can use 3.2mm rods for 4.0 to 4.5mm steel plates. The recommended rod types are 6010, 6011, 6013 and 7018. The arc welding machine also has a 140A TIG welding function. TIG 17V TIG torch needs to be purchased separately. The electrode welding machine supports dual voltage 110-220V and automatically detects the input voltage, which allows the welding machine to work in different power environments. The welding machine has an LED digital display to display parameters such as voltage and current. You can make real-time adjustments to improve welding efficiency. Arc force, hot arc, VRD. The MMA welder includes adjustable hot start, arc force, and VRD settings. Hot start increases the current at the beginning of the weld to prevent electrode sticking, while arc force ensures arc stability for better penetration and weld quality. The VRD feature lowers the arc voltage when the welder is idle to reduce the risk of electric shock. This arc welder has a synergistic. Instructions. Strap for easier carrying. Electrode holder. Clamps. You can find all the necessary information for this device from the company Bestarc in the description of the video. Synergic adjustment for each electrode thickness. Welding arc control. Hot start. You can find all the necessary information for this device from the company Bestarc in the description of the video. You can find all the necessary information for this device from the company Bestarc in the description of the video. You can find all the necessary information for this device from the company Bestarc in the description of the video. You can find all the necessary information for this device from the company Bestarc in the description of the video. For more videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Watch my other videos. Thanks for watching.